Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Today we're going to try to make a Kaya Stroopwafle. My friend is Danish, she told me how to say it. I probably pronounced it wrong. This is Kaya jam. My friend brought this back from Singapore when she went home, and it's a mix of coconut milk, egg, and sugar. And this is honey and pandan flavor. So for the waffle mix, we need 1/8 cup of warm water, a teaspoon of dry active yeast, and 1/3 cup of sugar. We're going to mix this up really well, letting that yeast start to froth up before adding in 1 whole large egg, room temperature, optional teaspoon of vanilla, I really like the vanilla in this, and 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to mix this really well. We are going to switch from a whisk to a spatula because this is a thick, sticky little dough. And once it's all incorporated in, we're going to flour our bunch because we're going to need this for about 5 minutes. Laying down a little flour and giving this a little knead. This dough comes together really quickly and it smells really beautiful because of the cinnamon and the vanilla in this. So going in, we don't need to give this a rough knead, just a little soft little knead until we can form a beautiful little dough ball. Then we're going to put this back into the same bowl, cover this up, and let this rest in a warm place for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I am going to weigh these out because I want them all to be the same size. So I'm weighing these out to 50 grams, rolling them into a little ball, and then setting these aside on a little tray. And this actually gave me 9, which is perfect because I can cook one before I go and cook all of them, or cover that up with the same plastic wrap and let that sit for about 10 minutes. Now we're on the stove over medium-low heat. You want to heat up your waffle pan. I started with a regular waffle pan first. It did not work, so I ordered this waffle cone pan, and this was perfect. So place one of your little dough balls in, flatten it a little before, let it cook for about a minute. Flip it over and cook for 45 more seconds before plopping that onto your workbench. And we're going to continue to do this until all of our waffles are cooked. But as soon as it comes off of your little grill pan, we're going to layer in a tablespoon of our Kaya waffle. I'm starting with the honey one first, just using a little offset spatula to spread this around. My first thought when she brought back these jams was, will it Stroopwafle? And because usually it's caramel inside, but I thought this would be a great replacement for that because making caramel is hard and tedious, and I just wanted to see if this would work. Now the pandan one, this gorgeous green color, if you've never had pandan, they're these long leaves and you can put them in rice and they're sweet. And they add, well, this is sweet, but they add this gorgeous little vanilla scent. And I can't believe it worked. So now let's go ahead and give this a taste. Starting off with the honey Kaya first. It's delicious. There's a crispiness to the outer waffle. The inner waffle is a little chewy. The honey Kaya is sweet, and you get that toasted, almost honey maple flavor. Now going in with a pandan one. I love pandan. It's just such a beautiful scent and flavor. Breaking this open, and this is equally delicious. And it's Stroopwafle, but there it is, Kaya Stroopwafles. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending your day with me again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and once again, happy holidays.